Hello and welcome, my name is Daisy. Today I bring you an unboxing, review and tutorial of the new ORTUR Laser Maste 3LE. I'm going to show you what comes in the box, how to assemble it and how to create the first projects. I have 3 boxes here. The big one is where the laser machine comes. This one is the air pump. This one is the laser engraving platform. These last 2 are sold separately. I'm going to link all these products in the video description down below. Now I will go to the computer to connect the machine and to work with the design. I will be using the Lightburn program. I will link it in the video description down below. They give you a 30-day trial. If you like it, you have the option to buy it. You only pay it once and then you can continue using it. First, I will add the machine to the program. Make sure the USB cable is connected. Then turn on the machine. And here, click on Find My Laser. Click Next. Now click on Add Device. Now here we're going to type the dimensions of the work area. For this machine is 400 millimeters, or if you prefer to use inches, is 15.75 inches. I prefer to work with inches. Click Next. And here I will leave it on Auto. Next. Click on Finish and then click OK. The machine is already connected to the program. Now we can start working with the design. Now I will show you how to work with the design. On the left, you're going to see the shapes and the text icon. I'm going to insert a circle and I will change the measurement. This circle will be 4 inches. When you finish with the measurement, make sure you click on the lock to lock it. Select the circle and click on the window on the right. This one is going to be a cut, so make sure it's online. I will be cutting a 3 mm basswood plywood. Now here we're going to type the parameters. You may either follow the ORTUR parameters table or you can make your own tests. On their table, they recommend to cut this type of material at 300 speed, 100% power and 1 pass. I made my own test and the numbers that work for me are 100% speed, 100 power and 1 pass. Now I'm going to add text. I'm going to click on the A on the left and I'm going to start typing on the canvas. You can resize and rotate using the little squares around the text. You may also change the font if you wish. I'm going to select the text and I'm going to change the color of the layer. This to make it easy to identify the layers. The letters are going to be engraved. So I'm going to make sure it's on fill. And here on the parameters, I made several tests and the parameters that work for me are 5000 speed, 100 power and 1 pass. On their table, they recommend to engrave basswood at 10 to 15,000 speed, 100 power and 1 pass. If you would like to use a specific design that you already have on your computer, I'm going to show you how to insert it. Go to File, click on Import, select the image and open it. Now here you can resize it. I'm going to select it, right click. I'm going to click on Adjust Image. I'm going to remove brightness to make it darker. Now click OK. This might help to get a darker engraving. That's one way to do it, and I'm going to show you another way to fix the image. You can select it, right click, trace image, Click OK. Remove the one in the back. Now this one will be ready to be engraved. Now select all the layers and align them to the center. Now I'm going to select the image and change the parameters. I'm going to use the same numbers I used for the text. Now I'm going to select the cut layer and place it on the bottom. We're going to make the engraving first and then the cut. I'm going to keep the layer selected. Now I'm going to click on this screen. This is to preview the engraving and the cut. Now the solid area is going to be the engraving and the lines are going to be the cuts. If you wish to see the complete preview, click on play. This might take some time, so I'm going to skip this step. Now that the design is ready, I'm going to place the material on the working area. Also, I'm going to adjust the laser. Now click on frame to align the material on the working area. Click either the square or the circle. This will help you to align the material on the working area. I added 2 more details to the design. When ready, click on Start. And here is the first project. Now I'm going to engrave an Acacia cutting board. I'm going to start by inserting the image. Go to File, click on Import, select the image and open it. This image has a background, so I'm going to remove it. Select it, right click, click on Trace Image, and here you're going to click OK. Now select the one that you inserted before and erase it. We're not going to need that one. Now select it and resize it. After resizing, go to the layers and select Fill. On speed, I'm going to type 6000. On power, I'm going to type 100% and 1 pass. Remember, before doing this process, I recommend you to do your own tests. These are the numbers that work for me. Also, you can use the ORTUR table of parameters. Now I'm going to click on the screen icon to preview the design. And this is how it's going to be engraved. Now select the design and click on Frame. Place the cutting board or the material on the working area to align the design. Next, click on Start. And here is the cutting board already engraved. It took almost 40 minutes, but I am very happy with the result. I used the air assist for both projects. I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing, review and tutorial of the new ORTUR Laser Maste 3LE. Remember to check the description below, since there you're going to find the links of all the products used in this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.